Artificial intelligence typically refers to the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, technologies into robotic systems. Here are some key aspects and considerations related to robot AI. Sensory perception. AI-equipped robots often rely on various sensors, such as cameras, LiDAR, radar, and tactile sensors, to perceive and interpret their environment. Machine learning algorithms can be employed to process and make sense of the sensory data. Machine learning in robotics. Machine learning techniques, including deep learning, are used to enable robots to learn from data and improve their performance over time. This is particularly important in tasks where adapting to changing environments is crucial. Robotics control systems. AI is employed in the control systems of robots to enhance their autonomy and decision-making capabilities. This includes path planning, obstacle avoidance, and manipulation of objects in the environment. Natural language processing, NLP. Some robots are equipped with natural language processing capabilities, allowing them to understand and respond to human commands and queries. This is especially relevant in human-robot interaction scenarios. Collaborative robots. Cobots AI is used to develop collaborative robots that can work alongside humans in shared workspaces. These robots can adapt their behavior based on human actions and provide assistance in various tasks. Robotics in Industry 4.0. In the context of Industry 4.0, AI-powered robots are integrated into smart manufacturing processes. These robots can optimize production, monitor equipment health, and adapt to changes in production requirements. Autonomous vehicles and drones. AI is a key component in the development of autonomous vehicles and drones. These robots use AI algorithms for navigation, object detection, and decision-making in dynamic environments. Humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are designed to resemble humans both in appearance and behavior. AI is crucial in enabling these robots to recognize and mimic human gestures, facial expressions, and movements. Rehabilitation robotics. In healthcare, robots with AI capabilities are used for rehabilitation purposes. These robots can assist individuals in regaining motor skills through personalized and adaptive exercises. Robotic process automation, RPA. AI-driven automation is applied in various industries to streamline repetitive and rule-based tasks. RPA allows robots to perform tasks such as data entry and processing more efficiently. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more integrated into robotic systems, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Issues related to transparency, accountability, bias, and the impact on employment are subjects of ongoing discussion. Explainable AI for robots. Ensuring that AI systems and robots are explainable and transparent is crucial, especially in scenarios where robots interact with humans. Explainable AI helps build trust and allows users to understand the reasoning behind a robot's actions. Robot AI is a rapidly advancing field with applications across various industries, and ongoing research and development continue to push the boundaries of what robots equipped with artificial intelligence can achieve.